Hello and how are you doing wherever you are? Welcome to Iconiqq TV. My name is DJ Iconiqq. This is part of the Iconiqq Show. But today, besides entertainment, I want us to include something small about our finances. And right about now, without wasting time, let's go to the 15 rules of money. I have no money. And probably you out there, you have no money too. But that does not mean that we cannot get money for ourselves, keep money, and have money generally. Yeah? So this is it. Money is the means by which earthly success is measured by most people. Yeah? We'll say that this person has a lot of money. That means they are successful, right? But according to religion, especially talking about Christians, Muslims, Hindus, there are other things which are greater than money. But for layman's language is that money is the means by which earthly success is measured. Yeah, and money makes enjoyment to be possible. And money is plentiful for those who understand the simple laws which governs its acquisition. You cannot have money unless you understand the rules of money. I have been looking for the rules of money, and probably you're out there, you don't know some of these rules. And that's why I'm here right now. Are you ready? Sip something. How are you doing? Sip some water, get yourself a notebook, and then let's bounce. Alright. So the first one is never spend money before you earn it. Or I can just put it simply as don't count your chicks before they hatch. Don't say because next week I'm going to get this amount of money, I am going to borrow money from my neighbor and then I'll use it and repay them with the money that I'm going to get. What have you done? You spend money that you don't have. Yeah, that means on the long run sometimes things might go wrong and now you'll be in debt. Yeah, you have no money to repay your neighbor from whom you borrowed their money. All right, rule number 2. Don't chase money. Instead, be a money magnet. I'll read one more time. Don't chase money. Instead, be a money magnet. What does that mean? That means you need to attract money to yourself. And you attract money to yourself by raising your value. And how do you raise your value? By acquiring new skills and adding more knowledge on what you already know. Yeah. Learning and unlearning and relearning and keep on learning and learning. Yeah, that means that you raise your value in terms of skills and professional knowledge. The more value you have, the more money you attract. And that is the sweetest thing, whereby you do not have to go to knock someone's door and kiss their ass and tell them, hey, I need some money. It's very easy for things to, in order to acquire more money when people come to you. How? People can be looking for me, hey, Timo, I need this and that. Hey, see, that is the best way to get money. Attract money, raise your value. Invest time, that is the third one. Invest time before you invest money. How? Put in time to learn and acquire professional skills and knowledge on how. Listen, this is the same thing, but here we are emphasizing on how to invest your money. You need to learn how to invest your money. The sooner you start, the sooner you get where you want to be financially. Are we together? These things I'm starting to practice them because I've learned them recently. So I hope they're gonna be of great help to you. Rule number 4. The more you learn, the more you earn. Learn valuable skills, add knowledge, especially market practical knowledge. You'll realize the first 4 rules are nearly tied to adding value to yourself. Yeah, learning valuable skills and adding knowledge, especially, listen, market practical knowledge. Are we together? Okay, let's go to number 5. Never be a slave of money, become the master. You do this by avoiding bad and unnecessary debt. In accounting, bad debt is an expense. So avoid expenses where you cannot recover your money. Oh my goodness. I don't know whether you got this on right. If you don't, kindly just reverse this video. Never be a slave of money. Become the master. That means you need to control your money, especially debt. Madeni. You control your debt. In accounting, one more time, bad debt is an expense. You could have good debt, that is getting money and invest in it, or invest in it whichever for return. Yeah, that is a good debt. But a bad debt is an expense. So avoid expenses where you cannot recover your money. That is the keyword there. Cannot, and another keyword, recover, another your, and then the 4, your money. Rule number 6, seduce money. Don't let money seduce you. Use money as a tool. Like, use it the way you use ChatGPT. We don't depend on it entirely. We use it as a tool. Help us achieve our goals. So the same thing, use money as a tool to access more money. Rule number 7, money does not grow on trees unless you plant the right seeds. And these seeds refer to investments. Money does not grow on trees unless you plant the right seeds. The seeds refer to investment. That is self-explanatory. Alright, let's go to rule number 8. Don't let money get bored. Use it to grow or build something. Don't let your money get bored. Don't keep money under your mattress or pile up money in your house. Yeah, while you can use it to grow. Sometimes you can pile with a plan. That is okay. But don't let your money get bored. Use it to grow or build something. Rule number 9, spend less than you earn. Read that again. That is what I have written here on my notes. So for you, listen. Spend less than you earn. Actually, that should be rule number 1, even for everyone. Since I was small, I was a young boy, everything that I did was tied to spending less than I earn. But who am I? Have I ever listened? You don't know, and I don't know. Alright, let's continue. Rule number 10. Money is your personal army. It should go out and bring back soldiers. God damn it. Most of the time when we are taking money out of our pockets, we are using that money in ways that we are not going to get it back. And rule number 10 says that money is our personal army. It should go out and bring back soldiers. Here, soldiers referring to more money. Rule number 11. The right partner can make you rich. The wrong partner can make you poor. Choose wisely. I'm not going to talk about how you choose your partner. Some of you could have 20 partners right now and still have money. But if you don't have a partner right now, kindly, before you do it, choose wisely so that you can have a secure financial future. Money, now rule number 12, money will solve your money problems. Nothing less, nothing more. It's only money that can solve your money problems, not prayers, not fasting, but money itself will solve your money problems. All right. Number 13, some people have money, some people have wealth. Having wealth means that you can satisfy your needs and desires to match your reality. Do you have money or wealth? Or what do you want? Money or wealth? Remember, having wealth means that you can satisfy your needs and desires, that is generally needs and wants, to match your reality. You feel me? All right, let's continue. Number 14, the second last one. Your returns in life will always be in exact proportion to your input. When you put in more work, the bigger the returns. In one way or another, we cannot say your success came because of luck. There must have been a risk. Let's learn to look on both sides, both extremes, luck and risk. So wherever there is a risk, there must be luck. And where there is a luck, there must be a risk. So in anything that you do, remember, if the effort that you are giving out will give you the same results. So you can't expect to do less and expect more. Impossible. Rule number 15, and I want you to remember this one real good. Pay your bills on time. No time, no games, and no excuses. Pay your bills on time. Don't wait to be called, hey, to be reminded, hey, you need to pay your bills. No, pay your bills on time. And that's it. And learn and implement the 15 rules of money brought to you exclusively by yours truly, Badness Badman, DJ Iconiqq. Feel free to add more in the comment sections. We can all learn from each other. And that's it. This is a blog I wrote sometime about 2 years ago. And I have always kept the draft here and I've decided to share it with you. So that's it. Have a good time. Remember to drink water. You can rewind this video and learn and keep learning the 15 rules of money. I'll see you in the next one. Peace and bye-bye.